Wood is one of the oldest materials used in human history. We use it for making furniture, tools, and paper. We use it as fuel and building materials. And just because of its wide range of application in industry, agriculture, and daily life, the forests in the world have been overcutting. According to the WWF report, there are forests at the size of 36 football stadiums being cut down per minute, and we need to take immediate action to protect it.
Trees constitute forests, playing a significant role in recycling carbon dioxide into oxygen, aiding in regulating climate, purifying water, mitigating natural hazards such as floods, serving as a genetic reserve, and providing habitats for many species of animals and plants. Forests are the dominant terrestrial ecosystem on Earth and are distributed across the globe. Forests account for 75% of the gross primary productivity of the Earth's biosphere and contain 80% of the Earth's plant biomass. Forests cover 31% of the world land surface, just over 4 billion hectares. This is down from the pre-industrial area of 5.9 billion hectares. As forest expansion remains stable, the global net forest loss between 2000 and 2010 was 5.2 billion hectares per year.
Here are some fun facts about trees. Noisy highway, intersection, or commercial business can be a real burden of the nearby property owner. However, trees not only protect a household from excessive exposure to the sun or wind, but also cut down noise pollution by acting as sound barriers. Planting evergreen trees and shrubs to serve as noise barriers can be quite effective and offer the added bonus of enhancing the beauty and privacy of your outdoor space. Moreover, do you know that no tree dies of old age? They are generally killed by insects and people. California bristlecone pine and giant sequoias are the oldest trees known by mankind and have lived up to 5,000 years.
In terms of scale, trees effectively contribute to carbon dioxide absorption and translocation to oxygen. In average, a tree can produce a ton of oxygen, which is a portion of 3% daily consumption. In cities with development of all industries, air pollution has always been a vexing problem to relieve and resolve. Planting of trees is always a considerable action. In inland region and mountain area, trees also play an important role. They have branches of roots which form a very strong network, and in that network consolidate sand and dirt over the area. The more trees there are, the more stable and sturdy the land is. As a counterexample, in the area of limited trees or where the trees have been cut down, there is debris flow always happening. We can say that trees provide us with stable land to build our homes.
There are two keys to reduce excessive deforestation. First one is recycling. Educational books in schools can be reused several times before declared worthless. This can also save money for students. The number of libraries can be increased and provide current and popular books, so that people will buy less books in bookshops. This is both economical and environmental friendly. The second key is using less disposables. Instead of using single-use chopsticks, cups, and lunchbooks, you should bring your own. This is for your health as well. By using these two keys, trees will always be a sustainable resource on our planet.
The most fundamental solution to make paper by tree felling would be replaced by electrical devices, such as using iPad to read notes and write report. The government can provide subsidies to foresters that can buy more trees. At the same time, schools, libraries should educate the public about the environmental impact of tree felling and encourage people to reduce their using of papers. It offers nations incentives to protect forest area from a variety of impacts that release carbon into the atmosphere. Thank you.